Okay, now as you remember last time I had shown you on how to install under cabinet hood 60 centimeter Fabar. Fabar is the model for the name or the brand. Now this one here is oven, the upper one is hob, and this one I want to install them here, so that we have our oven here, then our hob up on top here, so that when you cook, whatever is being emitted from the meal you are preparing will be directed to this hood. So it, as I told you before, it sucks or it filters smoke or steam to fresh air. So it will take like 15 minutes for me to finish up this installation. So be patient for the next video. Thank you.